Hello children, myself Deepak. I'm your ICT teacher. Today I'm going to teach about using the control panel. Do you know, student, what is a control panel? Okay. The control panel is a component of the Microsoft Windows that provides and the ability to view and change system setting. You know, children's? Okay. Some example. In a room, you have an electrical switchboard from where all light, fans, etc. are switched on off. This is the electrical control center of the control the electrical setting of your room. Understand children? Understand children? In the same way, you have control panel in the Windows operating system of your computer. From there, you can change the hardware and software setting of your computer. Control panel Windows, changing the background desktop icon, screensaver, set the date and time, add gadget of desktop, remove the unwanted software and from the hard disk, and change the hardware and like the printer mouse setting. etc. Okay, is your next topic, children's, operating the control panel. Operating. To work with the control panel, you need to open the control panel window and the various options for the present there in the from icons. Children, example WordPad, Windows, control panel, system security, network and internet, and hardware and sound, program and user account, appearance, click language, and access. Okay, and the purpose of the various icon on the control panel: system software, maintains important security, user account, create and manage user accounts components, and the network internet, create a connection to the network internet, and the hardware and software, hardware and sound, changing the setting of your printer, mouse and other hardware, and change the sound setting. Appearance, the personalization is the appearance of the desktop items. Apply screensaver, clock language, region, changing the date and time and setting. Okay childrens, next topic is the setting the desktop backgrounds. The background is which set of your desktop is called the wallpaper. You can select and set the desktop background of your choice. Many ready-made backgrounds are available in the Windows 7. Understand children? Okay. Is your next topic settings the screensaver. A screensaver is a moving image of pattern which get display off on a monitor by its duration. You can select the wait times after which screensaver and get activate. You know children, the so important things for screensaver is the a screensaver helps to prevent monitor burn into burn is the image impression which stay on the screen if same image is left too long on a computer monitor. Gadgets. Windows contain many programs called the gadget which offer useful information on the desktop. Example: calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, feed headlines, picture puzzles, slideshow, and weather. I hope you understand this topic, children. You know that resizing option, resize your gadget option, image option, it's everywhere. Okay, the resizing, the click the gadget that you want to resize, point the size and the select size that you want to gadget to be off. Changing the background, changing the mouse setting. Changing the mouse setting. Okay children, you used to mouse of almost every work you do on the computer. You can change its setting also like that. Double click speed and the shape of the pointer of suit you. changing the double click speed. As you know that double click means to the click twist on quickly succession, but when you somebody start learning to operate the mouse, he may not be able to quickly click the twist. What can be done is make the double click a slow process, and so that he may be able to perform the double click action. It is so important is the hardware and sound section. It is so important how to speed and how to slow option. That is the main fact. Okay children, is your next topic is the changing the shape of pointer. There are different types of shape of pointer: normal select, help select, working in the backgrounds, busy, and precision selects is the different way of the use of the shape of the pointers. I hope you understand your topics, these children's. Okay. Removing programs. Whenever you buy a new game of some other software CD, it means compact discs, you need to install that software on your computer to make it work. There are times when it's not working properly and you need to remove it. Also, you can remove unwanted programs so that space can be impeded from the hard disk. Let's learn to do it through the control panel. Is your first. Suppose that your gaming application is not properly work, and go to the uninstall option and click the program. In the control panel window, in the programming category, and the select uninstall program. Okay children, I hope you understand this topic. If you any doubt, any question, you ask me. Okay, thank you.